Well, good day, YouTubers, friends, and family from around the world. This is Mike with Morning Dew, daily events worldwide. We are on June 18th, 2019. Welcome to another surviving day on this planet. We're going to start out here looking at LASCO 2 image. Energy coming from our sun, and we did have a small CME departing just on the bottom right-hand corner there. And there's a new sunspot that is formed. It is outgoing though, so not too much action on the sun, but earthquakes and tsunamis. Here we go. We had a pretty large earthquake, 6.4 in Tsuruoka, Japan, and a tsunami warning was issued to west coast of Japan, and as well right across the Pacific Ocean, Hawaiian Islands, 6.8 tsunami warning, as well as Alaska and BC US coastline. Large 6.4 earthquake. They're saying here 6.8 tsunami warning. So that is a lot of action across our ring of fire. We're going to get into that in just a moment. We do have new forest fires in Alberta to talk about. Peace River, Meander River, as well as North Meander River. So stay aware and prepared, Alberta. We might have some relief. We do have a pretty large low coming from the north. So let's look at our earthquake map. Here we are, 6.4 at a 12-kilometer depth in Tsuruoka, Japan. Now this was after a very deep earthquake last night in the Tonga region. You can see here a 598 kilometer depth, 5.5 south of Fiji Islands. So we were expecting a larger, shallower earthquake. And boom, 6.4 in Japan. We also had a 300 kilometer depth, 4.1 earthquake in the same place. Let's get to North America. All these earthquakes in Montana, 2.5s, 3.5, and a 3.0. So still a lot of seismicity around Yellowstone and along West Coast. Cascadia subduction zone as well. San Andreas. A lot of deep earthquakes here. 233 kilometer depth in Argentina. Now there's a lot going on right now, and we have Earth and Jupiter and our Sun retrograde, and that'll be happening for the next 2 weeks till the end of June. This is the last 7 days for earthquakes, and you can see a lot of those rings are off of the globe, and that's showing how deep they are. So we've had a lot of deep earthquakes this last 7 days. Stay aware and prepared. Something is changing drastically on our planet. And these are my warned regions here, Aleutian Islands. We'll see what happens here. 5-day forecast brought to you by Meteo Earth and Meteo Mike. We're going to check out here, North America right away, as there's a large low pressure system coming from the north. It's going to bring a lot of cool temperatures, but as well it's going to bring some extreme weather. So watch throughout the mid-eastern United States for extreme weather. And this large low heading over to Atlantic provinces, going to bring a lot of rain. But when that cold front slips down from Alberta, watch for snow in Colorado, Washington, and extreme weather once the cold front reaches down into the middle of the United States. Showing here the large low coming down from the north, heading straight through Alberta and heading into the United States. Looks like it might stall in in the Midwestern United States. We'll see. Across parts of Asia, we do have this large atmospheric river heading straight across China and into the China Sea, South China Sea. Those dark blues and purple are extreme downpours, and that's what we're seeing all around the globe right now, is extreme evaporation. Watching here, just east of the Philippines, there could be a typhoon forming later in the week. We'll have to keep an eye on that. Not much to talk about in Australia. Heavy rains here at Vanuatu. The only thing to talk about in Australia is it's cold now. It is winter. Across South America, watching these large lows pound Argentina, heading in from the west, and then squeezing their way into Bristol Island region. So stay aware and prepared, folks. Thank you for watching today. This has been Mike with Morning Dew Daily Events Worldwide. Stay aware and prepared. Stay young and have fun. And get your morning dew. Thanks for watching today. Bye-bye.
If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that like button, subscribe, share with your friends and family across the world.